Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. If you've seen in front of me YOTON camera, and now I'm gonna show you how to reset all settings on YOTON YB03 Baby Monitor using normal settings. To do it, you need to find the settings, click on it, and scroll down to default settings, and click OK. Caution: after default settings, you need to pair the camera again before next use. Are you sure? So click yes. And cool, we have reset all settings on this YOTON device. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.